Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Nokia is preparing to launch a new affordable 5G smartphone with impressive features. The Nokia X100 5G is expected to offer high-end specifications at a competitive price point. The Nokia X100 5G is rumored to boast a large 6.82-inch display, perfect for those who enjoy consuming media on their phones. What sets this screen apart is its impressive 165 Hz refresh rate, which should provide incredibly smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. The display is expected to have a resolution of 1080 by 2712 pixels, ensuring crisp and clear visuals for all your content. For added security and convenience, the X100 5G will likely include a fingerprint sensor. While the exact location isn't specified, it could be integrated into the display or positioned on the side of the device. At the heart of the Nokia X100 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor. This chipset is designed to deliver strong performance for everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Users can expect smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and the ability to handle graphics-intensive games with ease. One of the standout features of the Nokia X100 5G is its massive 7000 mAh battery. This large capacity should easily power the device through a full day of heavy use, and potentially even longer for more moderate users. The phone is said to come with a 150-watt charger that can fully charge the battery in just 22 minutes. Photography enthusiasts will be excited about the camera system on the Nokia X100 5G. The main attraction is a 300MP main camera, which should capture incredibly detailed photos. This is complemented by a 16MP ultra-wide camera for those expansive landscape shots or group photos. For depth perception in portrait mode shots, there's also an 8MP depth sensor. This setup should allow for a versatile photography experience capable of handling various shooting scenarios. Selfie lovers haven't been forgotten, with a high-resolution 64MP front-facing camera. This should result in sharp, detailed self-portraits and high-quality video calls. Nokia seems to be catering to different user needs with multiple configurations of the X100 5G, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 12GB RAM with 128GB storage, 16GB RAM with 512GB storage. The high-end 16GB RAM option should provide exceptional multitasking capabilities, while the 512GB storage variant offers ample space for apps, photos, and media. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.